Alright guys, we got the new Alpha 20 Vega body. Got lucky and got one. They're all sold out right now. They'll be hopefully available again at some time from the Backyard RC group on Facebook. I'll do an unboxing. We got the driver's door, passenger door, and the side window sticker sheet. Front and rear window sticker sheets. And we got the grill, the headlights, the marker lights, and the tail light sticker sheet. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. TNDRC.